Welcome to Ngcobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.ngcobo2010shopi.com. iChannel. This is Ngcobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Orlando Pirates 2. My brother Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Sharp, thanks man. Igama ubani ubuya kuphi?
Ukhuluma noJuna Madondo ngihlala eMidlands ekhaya kusenquthu la ngibuya khona.
Igame ibone kanjani namhlanje?
Igame iChiefs idlalile for 30 minutes beyiphethe igame. So yahluleka equalize ukuleader. Ihlisa ukuthi ishaye 2 goals ngale esikhathi bese forming. Ngoba because i-defend yethu iyaphenika kakhulu lapha emuva. So angisolo because ayinayo leader lapha emuva. And then bonke bathulile and uYusuf Mati uyadlala ukudlala but akakwazi ukuleader. Uya ngwami uYusuf Mati akusi captain for mina. Kumele bathole umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi a-lead i-team. Makuyina khona umuntu olele ababize khulume nabo. Abakhuluma uYusuf Mati akakhulumi nama player ethu. Sometimes icoach ihlala ilwa ngaphandle so ilola zona lezi zinto uYusuf Mati akakhulumi nama player so lapho kwiChiefs nomunye uyazibonela ukuthi yena wenza kanjani. So siyacela nje ukuthi wonke umuntu management yeChiefs khala management iyo kahle ehamba isicindezelo iyesihlanganyela nezithi management yeChiefs bahlulwa yini ukuhlala phansi banika isamba ucoach imali athenga ama player
uqawunti ngeke bakwazi bamnike don't you think ukuthi kuzoba ngcono ukuthi ulinde kuvule elinye window before ubajaja cause angithi kusene window elizayo njengamanje i-first season yakhe usayinile abanye but then don't you think ukuthi kumele ubalinde eqale manje i-season iphele then bese uzobajaja afterwards?
Angibajaji kodwa ngendlela okwenzeka ngakhona January besinayo window period sasayina 3 kuphela which means management should bahlale phansi bakhuluma abantu abayi-3 kuphela. Angiboni ukuthi management ihlale phansi icoach yabona icoach ayina player sayinile because since ibuyile ithola ama player vele sejima seqhubeka seyaphambili yena bekasalinda ifinal ukudlala ifinal ngale so icoach mina ngimsole kakhulu ucoach vele first season yakhe iba bad mari second season yakhe ila kashaya khona ama team so icoach ngiyambona yini imidlili uyakwazi ukuyimaintain but akakwazi ukumaintain i-defend so mhlawumbe mayengathola omunye umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi abhekane ne-defend ngoba because i-defend yakhe ihlala iphuwa always ihlala iphuwa i-defend yakhe so icoach yethu okay ungaba icoach but ungakwazi ukuspecialize ngenye into ungaba icoach ungakwazi ukuspecialize nge-strike ungabi i-team idlala ibhola elihle bheka bo distance malisela bagood ukudlala ibhola but i-finishing akabi nayo i-strike escorer amagoli so yikho ngisho ithi icoach necoach ine style asayo so icoach ayikwazi ukuspecialize nge-defend so akacela omunye umuntu athi cela ungibhekele i-defend mina ngizobheka imidli ne-strike khona ezokwazi ngoba cause the way ngibona ngakhona ikhanda ngeke udlalise uzitha noDof angale sinawo ama-injury maningi kodwa kwi-development bakhona abafana nampo bamakhadi bakhona
umakhetha akekho udlala kwi-10
uvumele angithi akabasebenzisi bebekhona dliwa nje bebekhona nakuqala akabasebenzisi bovilakazi bavumela because akanama plans for bona so bekuthoba nama plans bakazokwala akusiyiChiefs kuphela ne-under 20 kuphela wonke ama team na i-development ye-Chiefs noma bengathatha bonke bodlala kwi-under 20 is fine ngoba because beyithathile i-league so what is the use uhambisa uvilakazi uhambise noma khadi ekubeni wazi ukuthi nama injury amaningi which means awuzumsebenzisi leso wabadedela ukuthi abahamba ujabulisa abantu kwi-SAFA ngoba nomjabulisa ukuthi ufuna bezothatha ama player wakho mabe ngakufuna abakufuni uyangithola so mina ngiyacela nje ukuthi management mina ngikhala management yethu ayizama ukuthi ikhiphe isamba semali kuthiwa ama player coach ayihlulekele ngezinto zakhe ethi nazi izinto zami ngisithengile so ngahluleka ngicela ukuzihambela ngaba simple uman of the match wami ngaba umdudu ushabalala or umlungu umakhopa mina for mina leya lucky goal leya ile yalakhe igoli Makgopa akayitholile kuphela
Yeah, no.
uMdudu Shabalala uyade phethe
Udlala kamnandi, yeah.
uye wonke ama-plate emayiphela igame awumqhawula awumhaka because uyade phethe igame FNB uyade iround yonke
Kakhulu,
alikho iside ade engayikhona so why isibulala umfana
Yeah.
kube lo mfana simnikile ukuthi abe man of the match next week uzokhuthala
Uzokhuthala,
kodwa into ekhona amadoda ayifili next week sizoba sinayo.
For breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com. 8